What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe, which unfortunately is a bearish one, alright? Because we got a significant bearish breakout. That level at 11,000, which was our main support level. If you go to the daily time frame, for example, you can see it's a strong level in general, but you can also see the 0.5 FIB there, and that level held us up relatively well. Even yesterday evening, when we had already dropped down quite a lot over the course of the day yesterday, it held up. But then we got okay. So hopefully I'll cut that out. Hopefully I don't forget. But then overnight we had a big sell-off. All right, across the markets, you can see Bitcoin had that sell-off. You can see the entire market had that sell-off. So right now we are still kind of shell-shocked, I would say, about the aftermath of that, and we're not really seeing any movement. All right, we saw a big liquidation spike probably, which I will look up for you, because Pepe dropped down a lot as well. We actually found a strong support level. A strong key level is where we bounced off of, but you can see right here, if you look at the liquidations, that we saw the most liquidations since Friday the 7th of June, which was the first Friday when we had a significant dump. So yeah, so a lot of liquidations, that's being bought up, but there's no significant continuation confirmation after that. All right, and that's what I mean with shell shocked. That we had that drop, we had a bit of a recovery. As you can see on the daily time frame, there you have the 100 EMA with the 0.618 FIB, and then also 10,000, which is a psychological support level. So finding support there was to be expected. But now what we have to see, and that's what we do have to wait for, I think, is that, all right, well, we had a significant drop throughout the markets. We had a ton of liquidations throughout the markets. Bitcoin did some sort of a 3-drive setup right here, which is also a bit of a reversal pattern. Can we actually get that reversal? Because that's what we want. And about that, I'm not convinced about. Or at least that I'm not convinced about. That makes more sense in English. Because Pepe is still, like, 11,000 was the main support level. We got back up there, but so far we've been finding resistance there. So if we purely technically look at this, and we've been in a downtrend since the 28th of May, I have to tell you that I think it's most likely we'll drop back down. Because we've been trending down. We had another bearish breakout right here. That counts as bearish confirmation, right? And then we found support, but from that support, we're not gaining that much momentum. We gained a little bit of momentum, like $30 million in positions were opened, but not enough to get a breakout. So then it's most likely technically that we'll do something like this, and that will drop down even lower towards 9,000 and 8,500. So that's what I think technically is most likely. Now, what I personally feel is that both scenarios are possible. This is the best scenario to take into account. The best scenario to assume that's going to happen is this. But due to Bitcoin getting that reversal pattern, the altcoin market being at a significant support here, I think there's a good chance as well that Pepe gets recovery. But for that, there's one thing we need, and that's bullish confirmation. So unless we get that bullish confirmation, which would either, well, it would probably be a breakout above 11,500, honestly. If we don't get that, this is going to happen. If we don't get that soon, so in the next 2 days or so, then this is most likely. If we do get that, I'll make an update. Markets are bullish, and we can rally. We can do one big short squeeze very, very quickly. But for now, like I said, it's not looking great. There's potential, but there's no confirmation of that potential yet. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.